so mad. I don't think I could make it this weekend.
I'm not going to the tank. I can't. There's so much work to do.
Don't we need our grade to be like A for that class?
Yes, we need an A.
Yeah.
We really
I guess we do need to be there.
What should we do then?
I have an idea. We could just dream about it and
Pretend we're there.
Well, how do we find the tank? Like, where is it? The play.
we have to dream about it and maybe find out. So like a treasure hunt or something.
And then we could tell Professor Baldwin that we really went there and saw the play right. So we
Yeah.
can grade.
We need that A.
I think that's what we have to do.
Okay.
Alright guys, so
Get to
I'll
the
send
tank.
you guys to the tank and come back and tell me what it is so I don't get A minus.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright guys, so
okay.
let me put you to sleep. You see the device works actually. Alright guys.
Okay.
To the tank.
To the tank. Get that A.
I'm sleeping. I think it's about time, man. Maybe I should wake them up. Man, I'm definitely gonna regret this. Hope they don't realize this.
Whoa.
We went to the play. Well,
We were at that play.
We got the A.
yes, he did.
We got that A. We were at the tank. Yeah.
Alright guys, you guys should tell me what happens to play now. Right.
Sure.
All right. I'll tell you.